is I've drilled a hole in this main piston here. It's as near to the end I can get it. And the next one I'm going to do is drill this one here. I'm going to drill it right through. I'm going to put it in the middle there because I think if that lines up like that in the middle there, then the piston will look like this. I think that's fine, to be honest with you.
Hear from you. Either a Christmas song
okay,
that you don't hear
this
enough
hole's
of,
got to go right through,
or just in general, buried treasure, a song that doesn't get played on the radio nearly enough as far as you're concerned. So, get in touch with your buried treasure, please. The address is, as always...
Millie Vanilli in Lip Sync Shocker. There's showbiz news like that, but relevant for today at greatesthitsradio.com.
So guys, the idea is to put this hole against that one there. So what happens, you put the air through there or steam through there and push through there, and then this will regulate the steam going in and out like this. That's the idea at the moment, so let's see how it goes. But then what happens here is either it goes this way around or that way around. At this moment, I'm not 100% sure. That's what I'm going to do. So this will be there. And because I lost the clips, I'm not sure if I said this already, but the idea is to make it reversible. Yeah, so I'm gonna do eccentric, reversible. What they call slip eccentric. Because I bought this from eBay, and it's pretty thin there. That's what's gonna go into there. So I'm just gonna drill a hole about 3 mil on this side, so that actually goes on there. Put the air through or steam through there. So my friend here is going to TIG weld this, holding it in position because I put a pin through there which goes right through to that one there. And I don't want a lot of TIG, just a little bit. Yeah, that's lovely. Turn on this side. That's fantastic.
Yeah, I need to clean once again.
I would clean, it's okay.
Very hot now, but easy to clean.
That's how it is, yeah, it's better than brazing it.
Yeah.
Do it like that, fantastic. So I'll come back to you. I'm cutting for the piston now. The other one now.
He weren't supposed to go with potatoes. Warren might have reminded too. He said weak. He weren't supposed to fall asleep on the sofa. Oh, ask him.
This goes through this. So I've got it marked. I'm going to drill a hole there so that the air can flow through there, into the main cylinder.
Merry Christmas.
So what's happening here is that I need to put a flat piece here so we can put something there for the piston to go back and forward, a rod or something. But I've drilled a hole through here. That's why this is going right through this thing and going down to that one. So at least we know it's in line right there. So we can put a flat piece this way. I don't want it twisted that way or this way. This has to be like that. So I think this is a good idea. Yeah. I'm going to flatten one end, so that's where the rod will go. there you go, guys. I've done that one. So they should slide in back and forth like that. Into it. This is it, guys. It's been TIG welded. So I gotta put it to size and put it there somehow. Either I can drill holes or TIG it down. I'll decide the next time. I've got to leave it now.